Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the hardware ready. Plug the correct Yubikey model into the primary machine. Once done, open Yubikey Manager and grant admin permissions so the tool can write configuration. Make sure you have a secondary device and a secure backup method ready. This prevents lockout. While plugging in, note whether you need USB-A versus USB-C or NFC. That determines adapters. Finally, confirm OS updates and browser extensions are installed so the registration steps later go smoothly. You'll now configure the functional slots. Program OTP in one slot, enable FIDO2 for passkey logins, and provision PIV for smart card uses. When you generate or import keys, create a strong PIN and a separate admin PIN so you can manage resets. This is why split credentials matter. One controls use, the other controls management. Then register the Yubikey with a single primary account to validate the flow. Once that works, continue enrolling additional services and note which slot is used for each. Finish by testing every configured method. Insert and touch for OTP, use passkey sign-in, and unlock PIV to ensure certificates work. Make a recovery plan, register a second Yubikey to the same accounts, export necessary PIV certificates, and store backups in a secure location. That prevents account loss. If something fails, run Yubikey Manager diagnostics and check PIN state. If unfixable, reset the device and reprovision from your backups. This troubleshooting step saves hours when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.